feeling a little lazy today, seasoning gang and cravers, but what do you think about some chicken spaghetti? Probably the best you ever had. Let's get it. Let's go. Here's a family pack of chicken breasts. I've cleaned them already and patted them dry. I'm gonna be seasoning these chicken breasts with this seasoning. It's the caramelized onion season by Weber. I got this big one from Sam's Club. And let's see if you can see that. It's got a lot of ingredients already in it, so you won't have to put anything else on these chicken breasts. I'll read off to you what it has. It has sea salt, dried onion, brown sugar, regular sugar, black pepper, garlic, buttercream, buttermilk, and that's pretty much it. And some herbs and spices. So we're gonna be coating these down with this caramelized onion.
20 minutes later.
Let's take a little trip over to the Foreman grill. All right, cravers, I've already preheated my Foreman grill. I know you didn't want to sit there and watch it heat up forever, but I'm gonna spray it down with some of this coconut spray. You can use olive oil, vegetable oil, canola oil, whatever you want to, but I'm gonna use this coconut spray. Line them up across there. I like to give mine a little press to make sure it's on there firmly. We're gonna boil some of this linguine. I like the Barilla brand. You can get the whole grain, the chickpea, the whatever kind you like, you know, it'll be fine. Ah, look at that. I like to flip mine. Some people don't, but I don't like for it to get scorched on this Foreman grill. So I'll just flip these over. Really big bag of broccoli florets that I bought from Sam's Club. I'm gonna take 2 bags of those and steam them in the microwave. All right, cravers, so here's your broccoli. You don't wanna cook it all the way done in that steamer bag. Just unthaw it pretty good. So what you wanna do is you wanna take your broccoli and cut it off the stem. Stems off of the broccoli. But here you have it. Usually I'll just take it and take this knife. But the veggies are a great idea for your dish. Okay, cravers, there's your pasta. I usually like to sit the pot under some cool water and wash my pasta off. I like to get all the starch off of it that I can. I wash my pot out, then I'm gonna take like a 1/4 stick of butter and put it over into that pot, let it melt. You can use salted or either unsalted butter. We're gonna stir fry that broccoli. We're gonna use a little bit of our seasoning again, the caramelized onion. All right. Just get that broccoli nice and hot. You don't want to get it too soggy. I like my broccoli a little crunchy. I don't know how you like yours, but do it to your specifications. You just want to spread that out. See how clean that looks? Now we're about to slice those. As you can see, I got my favorite knife again. Yeah, the one with the crack in it, my ceramic knife. This thing is awesome. So you want to cut this chicken however you would want it in your pasta. I'm just going to slice mine. As you can see, this ceramic knife goes down through there like a razor blade. I'm going to use 2 cans of diced tomatoes with chilies. You can get the Rotel brand if you want to, but these were like 50 cents at Walmart. 1 jar of sliced pimentos. Pick whatever brand you want. Of course, I got the Great Value brand. Little pink Himalayan salt or sea salt, whatever you like. Then you're gonna add some black pepper. I'm gonna add 1 large can cream of mushroom, 1 large can, cream of mushroom, cream of chicken in, like so. Now we're gonna pour this mixture, pardon my tongue, over your chicken, broccoli, and pasta. I'm gonna add 2 bags of velveeta shred. Now I'm gonna get all this stirred up together, all through the pan, and I'll be back with you.
6 hours later.
Take this pasta out of the oven to see if it's as creamy or as dry as we want it. I like mine creamy. So if it's not creamy enough, I'll be adding some more cream of chicken, cream of mushroom, and cheese. Just the smaller cans, and just a little bit of cheese. See what it's looking like. Oh, that's hot. Now I forgot to mention to you to set the oven at 350 when you put this in. Oh yeah, that's looking good. All right, pasta back out. I put it on broil for a little while just so it can brown on the top. Total cook time for that is like 30 minutes. And then you put it back in there uncovered for like 10 minutes. As you can see, that looks delicious, cravers. Excuse the styrofoam plate, cravers, but like I told you, I don't like washing many dishes unless I have to. If I got company, I'll pull out the dishes, but look at that. You see that broccoli in there? So it's not overpowering. See the tomatoes from the tomatoes and diced green chilies. Pimentos over here. See how creamy that is? This whole house smells like a restaurant.